Hi, I'm Jim McNerney. I've been with Seattle Public Utilities for about 47 years. Started back in 1978. And when I first started with the water utility, I was repairing and building water infrastructure. And for the last 20 years, I've been involved with planning and designing water mains. Um, right now, we've got a water main 30-inch in diameter. The water main's been here for about 11 and a half decades, and we expect to get 4 decades out of it. It's not unusual for water mains that are built with quality materials to last for many, many decades. So we're going to cut in a valve here so that we have newer valves on the line, able to shut the line down for maintenance, repair. The water main here actually has had very few leaks or problems with it. So it's an asset that's providing good, reliable service. And we want to keep it that way so that we provide safe, reliable, high quality water to the community.
Hi, I'm Julie Crittenden, and I'm the Division Director of Water Planning and Program Management here at Seattle Public Utilities. Seattle Public Utilities provides safe, clean, and reliable drinking water for 1.6 million people in the Seattle region. Seattle water comes from 2 protected watersheds in the Cascade Mountains. Each day, hundreds of millions of gallons of water travels from the watersheds through 1,900 miles of pipes and is stored in dozens of reservoirs, water towers, and standpipes in the region. From reservoirs and tanks in Seattle, the water continues its journey and travels to more than 200,000 customer service lines in Seattle, specifically getting delivered to homes and businesses across the city. My team has the awesome job of managing all of the assets in the distribution and transmission system, some of which are over 100 years old. This includes water mains, culverts, pump stations, and more. Our engineers and planners, like Charles and Matt and Cedric, help us to determine when our water assets need to be upgraded, replaced, or repaired.
I'm Matt Orr. I'm a water system planner for Seattle Public Utilities. My focus is on the water main system. We have over 1,900 miles of water main, 1,600 distribution in town. So the focus is on maintaining and improving that system at the right time for the benefit of utility and the customers.
Hi, I'm Cedric Joaquin. I am a planning engineer for Seattle Public Utilities, and my focus is on asset management of our steel storage facilities.
And I'm Charles Oppel, the supervisor of the Distribution Planning and Asset Management Group. My group, which includes Matt and Cedric, works directly with the engineering staff to design and build capital improvement projects to keep the water system running. We also collaborate extensively with the water distribution crews to go over and maintain the existing infrastructure and look at repairs and replacements. Together is our job to ensure Seattle Public Utilities is replacing, rebuilding, improving, and maintaining our pump stations, water mains, reservoirs, tanks, and other drinking water system infrastructure at the right time so they continue to function into the future. Some examples of the types of capital improvement projects we are working on include the Magnolia Tank, which Cedric recently visited.
Behind me here is the Magnolia Elevated Water Tower Tank. It is a 1 million gallon water storage tank, last recoated in 1988. And today we're out here to see what our contractor is doing. We have a construction project for the tank to perform seismic upgrades to the bracing, as well as recoating the tank and some various safety improvements. We're also including a new mixing system in the tank for some water quality improvements.
Matt mentioned that there are more than 1,600 miles in the water distribution system. One of the challenges of our job is to determine which pipes get replaced, when they are replaced, and how the work takes place, as Matt describes.
We have a rate of replacement of water mains that we're working on right now, 2025. And we have to ramp that up over time in the next 10, 20, 50 years, or even longer. We have to do it in a way that's going to be sustainable for the ratepayers, sustainable for the resources we have in Seattle Public Utilities, the engineers, the planners, the operations crews, construction managers. We have to to account for all these aspects need to come together at the same time to get these projects done. So that's a challenge. Right sizing the work that we're doing now versus right sizing the work that we're going to do down the road.
Managing our drinking water assets is an extraordinary responsibility. Just like our predecessors built Seattle's system in the late 1800s, the asset management team ensures that our utility systems continue to run well for future generations. You can learn more about Seattle's regional drinking water system and how it is maintained by visiting our website. Thank you.